This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Marvel Rivals account. This process ensures your game progress is saved and accessible across different platforms. It involves just a few simple steps, starting with creating a NetEase ID. This ID acts as your central hub for all Marvel Rivals data, making cross-platform play seamless and secure. We will guide you through each stage, ensuring a smooth setup for your gaming experience. The first crucial step is establishing your NetEase ID. Head over to the official Marvel Rivals website, easily found through a quick search. Look for the Sign Up or Register option, usually prominent on the homepage. You will then be guided through entering your details, including a strong password. Remember to use a valid email address, as this is essential for verifying your new account and recovering it if needed. With your NetEase ID ready, it is time to link your gaming platform. Log into your NetEase account and find the Account Management or Linked Accounts section. Here, you will see options for various platforms like Steam, PlayStation, or Xbox. Choose your primary gaming platform and follow the prompts to authorize the connection. This typically involves logging into your platform account to confirm the link, usually taking less than 1 minute. After linking, it is vital to verify your connection. Launch Marvel Rivals and check your in-game profile or settings for confirmation that your NetEase ID is successfully linked. You should see your progress and data synchronized across any connected devices. If you encounter any issues, do not worry. The official Marvel Rivals website offers a comprehensive FAQ section, and their dedicated customer support team is always ready to assist you with troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.